Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. We have a very deep earwax plug to remove today. You can see it is right down in there. It's right down on top of the eardrum. It's a really embedded deep, this one. It looks quite soft. Now, what I'm hoping for here is not particularly sticky. If it's sticky, then it takes a long old time to get this off the eardrum. So we're going to get a good grip here with a standard size ulnar tube. Oh no, it's got a little bit of substance to it this way. It looks quite hard. Now, that's both a blessing and a curse in a way. It's easier for us because we get a good grip, but it can be a little bit more uncomfortable for the patient, especially if you try and wiggle this too much and press it down against the canal wall. But we're getting a good grip, very slow progress here, but you can see it coming away really nicely. All little tiny bits of hair embedded in there as well. So we've got this to the entrance to the canal. Out this comes. You can see a little bit of dry skin underneath there, but that is the plug further in. Let's take a look. Is there anything behind that? Did we leave anything behind? Yeah, there's one more piece. We can't quite see the eardrum yet, so let's get a good grip here. That's separated from the main plug. So we want to try and keep this whole if we can. Keep it all bunched together. The last thing we want is bits breaking off down into the anterior recess at this point. So it's coming away really well. Out that comes. There you go. All the way out. Lovely. And then we're going to take a look behind that. Oh, we got a last little bit. You can see this last piece had just sheared off. So we need to get this bit out. Let's start lifting, get it out of the anterior recess. There we go, out that comes. It's this sort of thimble shape, this last one. So we're just going to take this away. There we go, out that comes as well. And oh, you can see a little bit of dead skin. Now, it's not unusual to get dead skin trapped behind these plugs, especially if they're filling the canal really deep. There we go. There's the eardrum looking lovely and healthy. So this was that deep impacted plug, and this is what it looks like afterwards. Patient hearing so much better. So we've got 1.5 centimeters, just over half an inch there of earwax, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video today. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. If you really liked it, give us a thumbs up. As always, take care of your ears, take care of your cells, and take care of one another. I'll see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.